Okay, I did not talk about that, right? So this is bootstrap.js.html. I did not talk about that thing. So, oh yeah, what? Oh, you want to know about oh, topics? I'm here, man. I'm talking. So, is it not audible? Was that not audible? You can hear? Okay, fine. So, well, Tawfiq asked a question and he left. Yeah, yeah, I got it. Maybe his connection, his internet is gone. So, what we do? Oh, he's back. So, yeah, Tawfiq, I'll explain you tomorrow. We start PHP tomorrow. Oh, yeah? I know, I need to propagate more, but I mean, I'm kind of a lean experimenter. Like, I do a lot of experiments. I know, no, but this is not the ultimate product which I want to really build. I'm building something else. This is a part of that experiment. So I can't reveal that particular product which I'm trying to get that out. But yeah, and I don't want people flooding to this side. Imagine, like, when I say, hey, I'm teaching PHP or JavaScript, I tell in groups like I teach it for free for some time, and if there is a hell of traffic, then I don't think so. It's a good idea. We just started, so they're like, I want to test it with people who are really interested in it. There's so many people out there who are like, for namesake, they wanted to be a PHP developer. So I don't want those guys. I want people like Taufik who are really interested in learning something. I wanted people like there was a student called I don't say call. There was a student named Arun. So she was also really interested in learning, but somehow it got off the hook. So yeah, what I really want is people who are really interested in, like, these guys are die-hard fans of learning. So I want to take those people. I don't take everybody who has silly doubts, silly questions, who want to be rock stars, who want to be developers. I don't want them. I want people who have that zeal to learn. So yeah, that's one thing. So Taufik, no, we discuss that tomorrow when we start PHP. I'll tell you how many ways we can use PHP. Okay. So as of now, let's continue. So let me do one thing here. Okay. Let me download a favicon. I don't know. This works. So I have it here. This. Let's see. So in images, I'll drop this favicon. Oh, I got so many here. So I don't know what the general size. Maybe 32. Fine. We'll use this. So this is png.png. I'll rename it as tl.png. Okay. So essentially, I'm talking about here is a rel shortcut icon. I don't know. There should be a hyphen. Let's see. So short icon. Okay, which we'll see in a while. So images slash stl.png. Okay. I save it there. I come here. Here. Where is our this? Okay, bootstrap.js.html. It's right here. I throw here. So it did not work. Or maybe, oops, yeah, I remember. Oops. Do I have this? Yes. 16 pixels. Okay, you know this already. Fantastic. So what is this? Icon. I don't know icon. I want to take PNG. TL. Okay, and I guess every time I just let me just say. Let's just paste. I don't know what happened to this. I was right before. So href. Let's see. I guess I have to clear my cache. Image there. Yeah, really equal to it. Really equal to. Oh, thanks, man. You saved me. You saved me. Great. This is like kind of weird, right? So this is what shortcut icon. You see this particular thing here, that's shortcut icon. Whatever Google has, this is shortcut icon. Whatever Bootstrap has, that is it. And even Todo's Live has a shortcut icon. So here this is just random. I made it up. Great, thank you. So yeah, that's one thing. So that's the code there. So now let's start using models. Okay, here. So here. So what I want to do is like, okay, I'll say let me put in this. Okay, let's use div class equal to content div. Okay, and here what we do is like let me put a demo video of Todos over there. So whenever somebody clicks on it, okay, it opens up as a pop-up box, let's say. Okay, so here it's a div class equal to row. So here I'll use a button input. Sorry, I can use directly button class equal to btn info. Alright, here I'll say video. Okay, so here I'll put one more class called show video. So as soon as somebody clicks on it, the model has to be popped up. So how do we use the model? All we gotta do is let's script. I don't know if you have to include jQuery. So when in doubt, I just use it. jQuery.min.js, and we have to include bootstrap.js too. src equal to scripts bootstrap.min.js. Okay, here I'll show a model here. Okay, so what I do script. So whenever somebody, okay, so document dot ready, let's say I can directly use click also. Here function